say thank you to our sponsors, Sonac, Promesh down there, awesome. He's been here 2 years in a row now, supporting us, and right from the beginning. We've got Toronto Raptors, who's hosting our competition tonight. Thank you so much to you guys for the free wrap job and details. We also have our G-Speed over there at the tent back there. Thank you so much for coming out, guys. Last but not least, we also have Electronics. They're not here tonight with their tent, but they donated our dyno too tonight. So thank you.
Everybody flip up? Yeah, there you go. Take that 25.
First place for Best in Show for Whippfest 2016. WF101. WF5. Congratulations.
Alright, watching you need Tumblr girl on her knees. You're dying just to appease tonight.
She said she came from the face. We'd never last. Quick to die, we moved fast and then we crashed. You and I were